Valentine's Day. You may have received a stunning bouquet of flowers in a vase. So I'm going to show you a couple of things on how to help look after them. With regards to flowers in a vase, this is a really good water level. The other thing that you're going to notice about them is that there's no foliage. Foliage in the water is going to shorten the vase life. So if you have any leaves that fall in, or if you receive a bouquet and there's foliage and greenery, just make sure you remove that before you pop it into a vase. Flowers take water up through the stems and it comes out through the petals. It's called respiration. So in order to help keep them longer and fresher, we replace the water that comes out with a mister. You can buy these anywhere, a couple of dollars, and a couple of times a day, just mist the flowers to replace that moisture. On the foliage, anywhere, just clean the vase up afterwards. And each day, you might need to do it a couple of times a day, gently lift the bouquet up. Don't lift it right out of the water, if possible, and top it up with about half a cup of water, morning and night. Keep it out of direct sunlight, keep it away from the air conditioning vent, and if you're out through the day and it's a really hot house, pop it somewhere cool like the laundry or the bathroom, or if you can keep the air conditioning on in one room, I would recommend that, and then mist and fill again when you come home at the end of the day. Happy Valentine's Day and enjoy!